doing? I wish that everything was okay. Okay.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
Asia, how are you? Asia, my daughter, how are you? How are you doing? And also Wasan. How are you doing, my daughter? How are you doing? My voice is clear or not? Okay. Good.
Clear.
So, where are the others? Absence. I want the absence now. I will record the absence first. Absence, we have grade 6. Grade 6. Bilingual. I will record the absence. Bilingual. Okay, بنات, girls. So, we have only al-hudur, so attendance. So it will be Asia. Asia, you are a good girl because you got 10 out of 10 marks. Okay? Miss Wasan also, Wasan Saud. How many marks you got?
10.
Good girl, you are also very intelligent. Okay, so the attendance today only Asia and Wasan Saud. The others, they will lose marks. Of course, they will got losing marks. Okay, so we start. Please inform them. Maybe they can't join, my daughters. Can you inform them? Can you inform them now? Please, Wasan, do you have how to say it? What is Lamar?
She said she doesn't have the user, but her dad got it for her, but she can't enter. She doesn't know how to.
Okay, so she didn't examine the quiz. And even, let's say, the assignment sheet, okay, that I sent before, she didn't solve. So please let inform her that she will lose marks because the continuous assessment, it will be recorded or saved automatically in the module, okay, not in papers. So now I will start. I will share this with you, my daughters. You have pens?
Yes.
Okay. I will just share this. In which question we solved? The last question, page 92, 94, 95. Yes, my daughter. We have. Can you read the question number 3? We solved question number 3.
No.
No. Okay. So open your student book, page 95. Then I will read the question. Clear? Who can read the question?
Put brackets in these calculations to make them correct.
Okay, so put brackets in this calculation to make them correct. Here we have some calculation with my daughters, and we want to just put brackets and figure out the answer and check if it is equal to the answer that is written on the right hand. It's okay. If it's not, check your answer. For example, let's do the first one. This is 6, then we have plus, then we have multiply by 2. Clear? So, how can I use brackets? Because the question here told put brackets. Put brackets. Okay? In this calculation, to make them true, to make them correct, to make this calculation correct. So in this case, Asia, in the first example, can you do this? Can you explain this for your friends? How can you do that?
I'll write it.
Yes? My sound
This.
was very clear or not? You can hear me, I mean.
Clear.
Good girl. So,
Yes.
how can you, Saud and Asia Saud and, sorry,
We did it in the
Wasn
notes.
Saud and Asia, how can you solve the sub-question A? In your opinion, where to put the brackets? Can I put it here, for example? Look, can I put it here?
No.
Between 5 and 40?
No.
No, okay. Where to put this, my daughter?
Between 6 plus 2.
Good girl, yes. So it will be 6 plus 2 between parentheses, then multiply by 5. Let's check if her answer is correct or not. How can we check? What is first? 6 plus 8 is what? 6 plus 2, 6 plus 2 is what? This one. 6. Good girl. So I will write here 8. Multiply by 5. Is it equal to 40, this one? 8 by 5, is it equal to 40? Yes or no?
Yes.
Good girl, yes. So the answer is correct. So here we got the correct answer. This one is correct, so it's clear. Now the next one. For example, this one I will do it. I will do it. This is 42. Here we have 3 plus 4 multiply by 2. Then plus 4. Okay. How can we use brackets here to do this? Question, so we have, yes, 3. I will make 3, yes, correct. 3.
Question B.
It's question B, yes. I will make 3. Then here, brackets that holds, let's say 3 and 4, means 3 plus 4 inside the brackets. 3 plus 4 is 7, isn't it? 3 plus 4, is it 7? 7. Multiply by what? I will try to use the brackets here. I will
Plus
make,
4.
yes. So I will make the brackets here. So 2 plus 4, is it 6?
Yes.
Good girl. So 7 by 6, is it equal to 42 as the answer here? Is it equal to that?
Yes.
Yes. So the answer, so the position of the brackets is clear, is correct. We put brackets here. Okay. And here. Clear this question or not?
Here.
Okay. Now move to the second question. We have 3 multiplied by 4 plus 2. If we
Put the
calculate,
brackets between 2
5
plus 4.
plus 2.
good, yes, it will be between 4 and 2. Let's check this one. Is it correct or not? This is what? This is 3, isn't it? Sorry, I want it here. Just a moment. Go back. Okay, here. Okay, we told 3 multiply 4 by 2 plus 2 is 6. And 3 by 6 or 6 by 3, is it 18? Yes. So the brackets here you put correctly the brackets. Okay, it will be 3 plus 4, 3 multiplied by 4 plus 2, it will be 6. 3 by 6 is 16. The next one, we have,
You put the brackets between 4 plus 3 plus 2.
good girl, yes. So 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 2 is 9, all multiplied by 2 gives 18. So I will put here brackets, clear? I will put here brackets. Then here, in the beginning, brackets. Then I will check my answer. We told 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9. 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. And the answer is correct. Clear? Please write the answers. Okay, and here also. Hurry up, my daughters. Try to write the answer first. Finish, my daughters? I will give you time to write. Clear? Okay. Wasan, Mayasam, how are you, my daughter? Mayasam, how are you doing? How are you doing, Mayasam? Wasan Amr, how are you? Wasan. Wasan Amr, how are you, my daughter? How are you, my daughter? So, what is Wasan Amr? I will, we told that Mayasm is present. I will go back to the, okay, Mayasm. Mayasm present. Then, okay. Mayasm, where are you? Wasan Saud. Mayasm, okay. So, now we continue. Did you finish writing? Did you finish? At the end of the lecture, I will also check the attendance, okay? So, can I go to the next slide?
Yes.
Good, good. So, here, a question I will make here. Exercise. Now move to question number 4. Question 4. Who can read the question?
Me.
Yes? Are the following, who can read? One of you. Are the following statement
The screen is not moving.
The screen is not clear.
It's on the question 3.
Okay, I will share again. True or false? Just a moment. Okay, my daughter, I will share it again. I already shared it, but okay. Wait for 1 moment. Okay. I thought now is it shared? Okay, check if it's shared or not. It's okay. You can see?
Yes.
Okay. Now, are the following statements true or false? If the statement is false, write it out correctly. What is the first sub-question? The first, let's say, statement is what?
9 multiplied by 4 equals 36. True.
Good. Multiplied by 4 is 36. This is true or false?
True.
True, yes, good girl. The next, small b. 6 plus 3 multiplied by 4.
3.
Is it equal to 18?
Yes. True.
Yes, true. Why? Because 3 by 4 will be 12. 12 by 6 is 18. This is, my daughter's, is true also. True. If it's not true, we will correct it. Okay, we'll put some brackets somewhere. Okay? Clear? Now move to small c. We have two brackets, 6 plus 3, all multiplied by 4 is equal to 36. Is it true, this one?
True.
True.
Yes.
And the others? Do you agree with that?
Yes.
Good
Yes.
girl. So, 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 multiplied by 4 is the same as that. Is true. Yes. Now for small d, we have
Next one is false.
yes plus 4.
The
The
correct
same.
answer is 36.
Yes, correct. I will just put it here. The same sub question C, but the same sub question, yes. But here is 18. So this is false or true?
False.
False. So what is? How can you correct it?
6.
Yes, you will make this one clear. I wish that was clear at least. This is how can you correct it, my daughters. Please write this as you can.
I finish.
Okay, the others, I'm waiting for you to finish also. Did you finish? Good girl. We continue. Now I will go to question number 5. Who can read? 5. Write the answers. Alright. Question number 5 we told. 5. Alright, what? Write the answers. Okay. We have, what is the first sub question?
1 plus 2 multiplied by 5. Multiplied by 4.
Okay. We have 7 plus 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to what? I will erase this. Okay. So, I will write 7. You see this 7? I will write it as it is. I will write 7 plus the product of 2 by 4 is what? 2 multiplied by 4.
8.
Very good. So 7 plus 8 is 15. Clear? This is the correct answer. This is showing your work. Please write the answers there. Okay. Look, girls, don't make 7 plus 2 is 9. Then I will multiply by 4. No. Okay? We don't have brackets. We move to multiplication. We don't have multiplication. Sorry, we don't have brackets. We go to division. We don't have division. We go multiplication. Then we don't have multiplication. For example, here I have multiplication. So 7 I wrote it as it is. Plus I wrote 8. 2 by 4 is 8. Then I didn't have multiplication, neither division, neither brackets. I will move to addition. Okay, and so on. So the small b is what? 5 multiplied by 8 minus 4. This one is equal to what? 5 multiplied by 8 is what? First, this one. 5 multiplied by
40.
8. Good girl. I will write 40 here. Then we have what here? You can see this one? We have minus 4. I will subtract 4. So 40, yes, 36. The answer is 36. Clear. So this is the correct answer, my daughter. This is how to show your work. Don't make 5 multiplied by, for example, 8 minus 4 is 4. So 5 by 4 is 20. No. Do this first. Do this first. Okay? Then this one will be 40. This is 40. Then minus 4. This is 4. Clear? The second, the small c, is what? Is 15 plus 20 divided by samples. We told Mr. Murad samples. Okay, no problem. Now we'll insert an equation. Samples like that. Okay. So 20, we told 15 plus 20 divided by 5. So we should do what first? We should add or divide first?
Right.
Good girl. So I will write 15 as it is. I will write 15 as it is. Now change. Okay. Here. I will write 15 as it is here. I will write it here. It will be equal to 15. Then plus 20 divided by 5 is equal to what? How many? Yes, very good. 4. Excellent. So 15 plus 4, it will be equal to 90. Clear? The second one, small d, 17 minus 6 multiplied by 2. Clear? So this one, my daughters, should be equal to what? Okay. This one should be equal. Yes, okay. So I will write 17 as it is. Okay. Minus 6 multiplied by 2, Western Saud, is 12. So 17 minus 12 gives what?
5.
5. Yes, good girl. So this is the correct answer. Okay, correct answer. Now move to the second. Small e. We have what? 18. Be careful to this question. 18 minus 16, then divided, or I will put this. Okay. Copy. And here. What happens here? Mr. Murad told here. What happens again? Okay. So we told I will go to this one e, then okay, we told 18 minus 16, 18 minus 16 divided by 4. This is by 4. So first of all, my kids, you will try to find the answer of this division, means 16 divided by 4. First, write 18 as it is, equal. I will write 18 as it is. Then we have negative sign out.
4.
Yes, good girl. Divided by 4 gives us 4. Why? Because 4 by 4 is 16. So 18 minus 4 is 14. The last question we have. Okay, we told, okay, 4 multiplied by 6, then minus 3 multiplied by 5. Okay. Okay. So here, how can we solve this? I will calculate the product of 4 and 6 first, isn't it? 4 multiplied by 6 gives what? Equal 24. Clear? Because 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. Then we have minus. Don't forget about the minus. Sorry. We have minus what? 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. Okay? So minus 15. 24 minus 15 is equal to 9. The correct answer is 9. Please hurry up. Okay. This is the question number 5. If you finished, my daughters, don't hesitate to let me go to the second slide.
I finished.
Okay. And you, Asia?
I finished.
Good girl. So, Mayasam also, do you finish? Mayasam?
I'm in the last one. I finished.
Good girl. So, Mayasam, thank you. Okay, I will give you the time to write. If you want to talk together, no problem. Just discuss, let's say, or ask questions. Each student try to ask a question for her friend or for her friend, and the friend that has been asked, she will try to answer. For example, we start from Mayasam. You will ask a question to your friend Asia. Yes? We are hearing, we are listening to you. What is your question? Okay. For example, Mayasam, she will ask her a question like that. 7 plus 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to what? Yes, Wasan.
10.
7 plus what?
7 plus 1 multiplied by 4. This is the question of Mayasam to you.
10.
10. Are you sure? Look, this is what? This is 7. 14. Are you sure? Okay, what's
No, 15.
15. Now we changed this. This is 1 by 4. We gave another example. 7 plus 1 multiplied by 4. First of all, calculate 1 by 4 is what? 4. 4 plus 7 is 11. Clear? Clear? It will be like that. 7 plus 4 equal 11. Why? Because 1 multiplied by 4 is 4. Now for Asia, this is your question from your friend. Yes, 5 multiplied by 5 minus 4 is what? Yes, 5 by 5 is 20, 25. 25 minus 4 gives?
21.
Yes, 21. Okay, so do you finish writing this? I will move to the second slide. Okay, now question 6. Who can read?
Use these numbers together with brackets and operations signs to make the digits number.
Okay. Use these numbers together with the brackets and operation sign to make the largest number. Okay. For example here, small a, we have what, girls? We have 2, what else? 5, what else? And 5, isn't it? To make what?
Yes,
To
to
give.
give 15.
To give
Give 25.
35, I mean. Isn't it? 35.
25.
35.
35.
Good girl, yes. Look here, my daughter. The answer, can you make like that? 2 plus 5 multiplied by 5. Is it equal to 35? Yes or no?
Yes.
Good girl. So this is the answer. The answer is written in green with the green color. Small b, we have 5, 7, and 10. 5, 7, and 10. To give what or to make? To give 120. You will try to use these digit numbers so that you can give a number 120. How can you do this? Yes, my daughters. You will use brackets, of course. Yes? How can you do this? Yes? Can you think of 7 plus 5? Yes or no?
7 plus 5
Is 12.
equals 25.
7 plus 5 equal 25. Are you sure?
Yes.
7 plus 5, is it 12? 7 plus, not multiply. Can we make like that, Wasim Saud? 7 plus 5, all multiplied by 10. 7 plus 5, this one, is it 12? This one, 7 plus 5, is it 12? Yes. Multiply by 10. So 12 multiplied by 10. I will write 12 multiplied by 10 equal 120.
120.
Yes. So this is, how can you answer this question, my daughter? I wish that is clear for you. So the answer, I will write it here. Okay. Okay. Just I will extend this. Okay. I will extend like that. So the next I will move to what? To small c. I will give you time to solve small c. Okay? Small c, 2, 5, and 14. You will use the numbers 2, then 5, and 14 to give 18. Be careful, to give 18. Okay? To give 18. This is, of course, the answer. Answer. This is also the answer. And here we'll answer also. So question 6. Okay. Now we move to question 6. Question 6, sub question C. My daughters, you will try to solve this question. I will wait for your answers.
Write it in the box.
Yes, you can. You, my daughter, will use the digit 2, 5, and 14. So the answer should be 18. Clear? 2, 5, and 14 to give an answer or a number that is 18. I will give you 3 minutes or 5 minutes to think of this question, okay? You can discuss together. No problem, you can discuss together. I mean you and your friends.
I wrote it in the public chat.
Yes? You wrote? Okay, I will check the public chat, my daughter. So 14 plus 5 minus 1 equal 18. Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
From where you got 1? You have the digit 1 there in the quotient.
No.
Okay, so you will use only 14, 5 and 2 only, my daughter. Thank you for your try.
Okay.
Thank you for your first try. I'm looking also for Mayasem to participate, for Asia to participate. Okay, so what's out? You are good. You tried. You wrote 14 plus 5 minus 1 equal 18. Yes, in fact, equal 18, but the one we told 1 is not written, so no need to use 1. Clear?
Clear.
Okay. Now I will move to the other student. Now the screen was clear for you, or I will share again?
Clear.
Good. So how can you solve this question? Wasan Saud, you tried. Very good. I will give you 1 mark. You deserve 1 mark. Wasan Saud, 1 plus 1. Clear? Now I'm looking for Mayasem and Asia. Mayasem and Asia, my best daughters in the world, even on the moon. Okay? Try to answer this question, please. I'm looking for your answer. If you need 5 minutes, I will give 5 minutes. What do you think? Let's yes? Okay, my daughter. I will do it again. Okay, my daughter. Don't worry. Muna, Salam. How are you? You are absent, my daughter. Why you are absent? No, you just came, my daughter. You just came, my daughter. You just came. الحين جيتي صح؟ Okay. This time I will consider you present. Next time, my daughter, please try to be at time, my daughter. Okay? Please.
Okay.
Because I want you to be good student. And you are a good student, Muna. I know that. Okay? So, I will share this with you. I will share this with you. So we told I will just add the name of Muna. So Asia, Wasim, Saud, Mayasem, and Muna Salim is present. Salim. Muna, please write the lecture. So here, Muna, the lecture is that. This one. You will try to answer this question, my daughter. What is this one? Try to answer. Yes, you will write it. On your notebook, you have, your student book, question 6, page 95. Okay? So how can you solve this? Asia, did you find the answer?
No, I'm trying, but I didn't find.
Okay, I will give you another extra 2 minutes. Okay? Don't give up.
I'm trying.
So, Asia, I will make 1 mark. Okay. Please. Okay. Can I interfere to show this for you or no need? You can do it.
Sure.
Okay. Look, I will make 14. Okay. Okay, 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5, all multiplied by 2. 14 minus 5 is what?
9.
9. multiply by 2. Is it 18?
Yes.
Yes. So that is how to solve this question. It's very easy. Okay, very easy really. But no problem. Please write the answers. Write the answers, my daughter. Okay? Finish?
Yes.
Okay, now
Yes.
open your notebook. Open your notebook. Your notebook. Use the question is write the laws of arithmetic. The laws of arithmetic or the laws of arithmetic. So we told that use these numbers together with brackets okay, you will write the question. I will erase all of this. Okay, so with the brackets and operation signs operations signs to make the largest, the larger the target number, to make the purpose number, target number. Clear? This is the question. Now I will give you small one. We have 13, you will use 2, then 3, then this is, I will make a sub question like a capital A, okay, in order not to tell one is a number. Okay, so A, 2, 3, and 13, to give 32. This is the first question. Clear? This is the first question. Please write on your notebook. Now B, it will be 17. I will make 3, then 7, and 16. 6 to make 27. Okay, this is then question number 3, the last question. It will be also the same. We have 3, okay, 2, 3, 2, then 20, to make 34. Okay, so we have 3 questions. This is capital C. This one, my daughters, capital B. And this one, the first question. I will leave you with the first question. I will let you think at least 10 minutes or 7 minutes. Each question, 3 minutes. Each question, 3 minutes. I will let you think of this one. You will use only these numbers. No need to write, for example, the numbers that we have in the sub question A is 2, 3, and 13, and 32. You will use only 2, 3, and 13 to construct, to give 32. Don't give 1, write 1 or 5 or 6, is not there. Clear? You will use brackets, and you will use these 3 numbers, and you will use operation signs like positive sign, negative sign, division, multiplication sign, and so on. Okay? To find or to make the target or the purpose number. I'm looking for your answer. I will give you time to think. Please, you wrote question number 1. Did you write this on your notebook?
Yes.
Okay, can I go to the next one?
Yes.
Okay. B. Rahmakallah. Sub question B, 3, 7, and 16 to give 27. You will just write the question B only. The number 3, the digit 3, 7, and 16 to give 27. Did you finish this one? Please write this. When you finish, let me know. You are right, and at the same time you are thinking, my learners. Okay. Thank you for those who got 10 marks. Big and great thank you. Okay, for those who got 10 marks in the quiz. Thank you again. You merit this thank you. Thank you. I am very glad and very happy to hear or to see that all the students submitted at time their quizzes and did get, let's say, good marks. That's let's say a great pleasure to see your quizzes and to see your working. Okay, thank you for that. So I will move to the second one, the third one. I mean, sub question C. We have 3, 2, and 20 to give 34. You will just write this one, my daughters. In this sub question, you will just write this. This is the question. Okay? We have 3, 2, and 20 to give 34. 3, 2, and 20 to give 34. Then here, this one. And the first, it will be this one. I will give you time to answer. Now we move to the first one. Who can answer? The first one, who can answer? Yes, my daughter. Who can answer the first one? Who can answer the first one? This one. Yes?
Wait, I will write.
Okay, I will do it again. Just for a moment. I will do it again, my daughter, just for a moment.